Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this simple Olympiad mathematics question. We are given that if x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, we are asked to find the value of x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8 plus 53. Alright, let's get started. I would like to take this equation, transform it in terms of this expression. Alright, and we can divide by x because x is not 0. From here you can clearly see that because we don't divide by 0, right? So what we have is x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. That is from the given equation. We can divide both sides by x. Divide the first term by x, you have x because x squared divided by x is x, minus x divided by x is 1, minus 1 divided by x equal to 0 divided by x, which is still 0. Now let us take negative 1 to the other side. We have x minus 1 divided by x. This is equal to positive 1 as it crosses over. Now let us square both sides. Square this and square the other side. You take the first time, you square that, you have x squared. You take the second term, you square that, you have 1 divided by x squared. Then you subtract because of this negative sign. You take 2, you multiply by these two terms. And if you multiply these two terms together, you're going to get negative 1, and negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. This is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. So our equation now becomes x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equal to, if you take this one to the other side, it becomes positive 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Again, let us square both sides. Square this, square this. You take the first time, you square that, x squared squared is x to the power of 4, plus second time squared is 1 divided by x to the power of 4, then plus 2. Multiply by this, multiply by this. If you multiply the two times together, you're going to get 1, and 1 times 2 is still 2. This is equal to 3 squared is 9. Take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. We have 9 minus 2, 7. So we have x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 4. This is equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7. Now let us square this for the last time. Square this, square the other side. You take the first time here, you square that, you have x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8, then plus 2, multiply by this, multiply by that, which is going to give us 1 times 2, 2. So this is equal to 7 squared, which is 49. Let us take this term to the other side. It becomes negative. We have x to the power of 8 here, plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8. This is equal to 49 minus 2, which is 47. You can see we have x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8. But what are we looking for? We are looking for an expression that contains plus 53. So now let us add 53 to both sides. So we have x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8. I would like to add 53 here. If you add 53, you have to add it to the other side. We have 47 plus 53. So now you can see that this is the expression we are looking for exactly. All we have to do is to simplify this. And finally, x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 8 plus 53. This is equal to 47 plus 53 is 100. And hence the solution to this problem is just 100, provided that the first given equation is equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.